Welcome back. Well, let's focus on a couple of names then. Oberoi Realty, just take a look at that stock, the way it's moving. It's up closer on 3%. I think the last couple of days, the stock has been moving pretty well. And United Breweries as well, that stock, in fact, has spiked up. It's up closer around 3.5%. Ambareesh Baliga is still waiting by. Hi, Ambareesh. I wanted to ask you about your view on Oberoi Realty. The stock again has come to life. It had corrected from around the 1,050 odd mark to sub 900. But in a few days, it's back up towards 1,000 rupees. How do you view the stock?
Just on Oberoi Realities, but real estate overall, I've been quite bullish on, especially the last, I think, 15, 18 months. And that too on affordable housing, which most of these larger players are also now concentrating on, because that's the fastest growing part of the market. And if you look at the sort of registrations which have happened in the last 4 months, or even if you, go back the last 8 months, it's record registrations which have been happening. And especially now with the commodity prices also correcting, at the same time you have had the real estate prices moving up. Because of the commodity prices, they moved up about 5 to 7%. That is not going to correct. Whereas commodity prices correcting is positive for the real estate companies. So I think if you are looking at the next possibly 12 months to 18 months, time to still be bullish on most of these stocks. So whether you talk of Godrej or Shobha or even Oberoi, I think one should be looking at buying these from a longer term perspective. Short term, we could possibly see a correction along with the market, but longer term, I'm quite bullish.
Okay, longer term is quite bullish. 79.59 on the Nifty and 39,668 on the Nifty Bank. So clearly, Nifty Bank stands out once again today in the outperformance. Ambareesh, view on Dr. Reddy's down 2%, and in fact, there's been quite a bit of pricing pressure out of the US, which is hurting some of these companies.
No, and again, I think this pricing pressure was clearly expected for a while. So whenever, since this news has come now, we are clearly seeing that correction. But I would say that one should utilize this correction to buy into Dr. Reddy's. In fact, I would be a buyer closer to about 38.50.
Okay, all right. Ambareesh,